What's up, Barky family? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a come clean with me and decorate with me for Easter. I filmed this video about 2.5 weeks ago, so I started decorating early, but I decided to share it today, April 1st, because I won't look like a crazy person decorating for Easter so soon. I know right now, I don't know if people are in the mood to do this type of stuff, but for me, I had already been locked up in my house prior to this, so for me it's like something to do, makes me feel happy. I like to decorate. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. My stomach is actually going to look smaller in this video. I'm going to try my best to show you guys, but I'm definitely getting there. Before we get on with the video, I just want to say that I hope you guys are all doing well. You're all staying safe, and again to thank all you guys who are essential workers who are still working, doctors, nurses, grocery store workers, truck drivers, delivery drivers. There's more than just that, but there's so many people that are still working and putting themselves at risk and to make this world honestly turn and go round. So know that you're appreciated, and I appreciate you, and I pray you guys stay safe, and I pray that your companies treat you well, because that's the thing that sucks. A lot of these companies, I worked at a grocery store for 12 years, and I still talk to some of my coworkers, and when I hear about like some of the things that the company is doing for them, it's just like, come on, really, just come on. Anyways, my heart is with you guys, and yeah, stay safe. Okay, let's begin the video.
So this come clean with me is going to be a little bit different because it's not going to be as a deep clean as you see me normally do. I'm wiping down things mainly using Lysol wipes. So when I filmed this, Matt was still working, and so I was making sure I was cleaning things constantly, and when he would come home, I'd wipe anything that he put anything on or that he touched, so like doorknobs and stuff. I still do that, but that's only if we go somewhere, but we haven't been anywhere. I've been only to 3 places, and those were grocery stores within the past 3.5 weeks. So I try, not to use the Lysol wipes too much, because if we're not going in and out of the house, I don't know why I would keep wiping things with Lysol wipes. I try to use other things so I don't waste them all, and I really don't want to go get more. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to find more. So I started to decorate this thing mainly using Hobby Lobby bunnies, and that's mainly what you're going to see. Now, I don't know if Hobby Lobby's open right now. I know they were supposed to shut down where I live, and then they try to say that they were an essential business. They did the same thing in Wisconsin, but I know that they went and closed down, the police went and closed down those Hobby Lobbies. I don't think they should be open. I don't. People can live without their crafts for now. I mean, if they really need something, order it online from like Amazon or something, but I don't think it should be open. I don't know. Everything's crazy. I have my glucose test in 2 more weeks, but I'm going to see if I could it's a pregnancy glucose test. So basically I have to drink some drink that I heard is really gross. Let me know down in the comments below if you think it's disgusting. I've yet to try it, but I hear that it's nothing but thick sugar. And so I'm supposed to have it in 2 weeks, but I'm going to see if I can push it off at all. And I'm hoping that I can, because I want to avoid the hospital as much as I can right now. So yeah, I will see if I end up having to do it. But in other news, the baby's kicking a lot. I couldn't sleep yesterday because it was kicking so much, and you could tell that it's getting stronger and stronger, because you can see the kicks are getting stronger, and it just feels like it's getting stronger. So that's better news than about a glucose test. So anyways, I moved down to the tier tray. The tier tray is still decorated that way. I want to add something else to it, and I think what I want to add is just like a little bit more color. I think that because the tier tray is so neutral in color, and then the decorations I put inside of there were very neutral, mine is like, I mean, even the orange is kind of like a neutral orange, and the purple too. I just feel like it needs a little bit more color. I think that yellow duck makes it look better, so I need a little more added to that. I want to make more DIYs for Easter, because there's areas that I wanted to have like a little bit more decor, but since I'm not going to go out, I'm just going to have to make it myself. And I do have the supplies to make it, and I started on a couple of things already. So I have this little window thing. People always tell me the right name for it, but I just call it a little window thing that's in my wall. And I really like the way it's decorated right now, so I just added a little bit of Easter items to that area because I didn't want to totally redecorate it. I had that little bunny hugging a mom. It's $12.99, but I ended up switching it with a different bunny that I got from Ross that was $6.99 because I felt like it matched the decor inside of the window better. I ended up getting some Easter pictures at Ross for really inexpensive price. All this stuff I bought like over a month ago. I have not been to a store at all, and I miss going to stores, you guys. I just like going to look. I don't always buy things, but I had gotten that carrot sign. I think it was like $12.99, something like that. It's really, really big. So to this area that I have, I just added some more bunnies, the one from Home Goods, and then a bunch of little pieces from Hobby Lobby. 2 bunnies over there, and then the duck. I call rabbits bunnies, so if you have an issue with that, I'm sorry, but I just call them bunnies. And then below that, I just added a few Easter accents here and there. I didn't have much to add to that area. Again, adding Dollar Tree carrots everywhere, because that's mainly what I have. Now I'm going to have to do some Easter DIYs to add in other spaces that I want it to be. When we moved to this house, we didn't move with pretty much any Easter decor, so that's why I went out and I bought some, and I had planned on going to the store one more time to get a few more pieces, but that never happened, so I'm just going to end up making a lot of the stuff and using that to decorate with. Then I moved on to the little ladder that I have. I have a DIY for this down in the description box below. If I remember to put it there, I will. It's a $10 ladder. I use Dollar Tree products to make it, and it came out so nice, and I still have it. I've had it for almost a year now. I have a bunch of moss bunnies or grass bunnies, whatever you want to call them, and I've mainly gotten them at Home Goods, and I actually feel like Home Goods has the best price on those bunnies. Obviously, you can go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, it'll be the same price because they're all owned by the same people. And that one, so okay, my front room, I kind of like see it as 2 different sections, even though it's just one big room, because there's the part that has the table and then the part that has like the couch and the TV. So the area with the couch and the TV, I made it look a little bit more rustic, keeping more neutral tones and adding more of those like grass moss bunnies, whatever you want to call them. The picture I'm hanging up, I got it from Walmart, and it cost me, I think, $5.88, $5.98. I forget the exact price. I used a command strip to put that on the wall. I don't really like to use command strips too much in the front room just because I'm afraid it'll peel the paint off one day. So if I do it sparingly and only with something that's really lightweight that I know isn't going to just fall on the floor. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of using command strips, but I'm also not a big fan of putting like nails all over the walls. So I used a command strip to do that. So I was done with the decorating. I had to do some more cleaning. So I did my sweeping using the Swiffer, vacuuming, and again, like with any of my Come Clean With Me's, you just see Pepper attacking everything. And I don't know why she does it. I'm convinced that she thinks the dirt and stuff on the ground belongs to her, and that she gets mad at like the broom and the Swiffer and the vacuum because she thinks it's trying to take away like her treasures or something. Because every time I do it, she goes to the pile and starts trying to like protect the pile of dirt and dust. So then I did that, and I was done with the front room. It looks really nice this day. It was really good lighting, so everything looked like really clean and stuff. And I really like the way it came out. There was a couple of areas that I want a little bit more in, but I'm just going to have to make pieces for those areas. But look how pretty it came out. And it looks super clean, which I like. Pretty much every Come Clean With Me, I get a question where I got my credenza and my table. The credenza I had gotten from Costco, and I got it like, I would say 5 months ago. And my table I got from Ashley Furniture. And again, that was around 5 months ago. It's like when we moved into the house, we were done painting and all that stuff, we started buying furniture for the house. That little coffee table is actually a bench. And that thing, the top of it is loose and broken because I got it in Bob's Furniture, the outlet section. And I only paid $12 for it. It's actually supposed to be a bench for a table, but we are using it as a coffee table because it's like the perfect width for our front room. Okay, now I moved into the kitchen. The kitchen was messier than the front room. Definitely more messy. And I just went ahead and cleaned it like you clean a kitchen. I didn't do too much deep cleaning this time around. I really have to clean my stove right now, though. I've been using a lot of oil to fry things lately. And I got oil splatter all over the stove. So I got to clean that soon. But no, so as you can see, like under the cabinets to the left, there's a stool, a step stool, and a little garbage bin. Under there, it's really supposed to be 2 stools, and the garbage bin stays there because we use that to put the recycling into. But the step stool has been there lately because I need help reaching things. And I just moved that into the bedroom now because I'm having a hard time getting on top of the bed. So I'm definitely going to have to get something else because I need one for the kitchen and I need one for the bedroom. I'm just having a hard time. Our bed is like about 3.5 feet from the ground. It's, I don't know, we had gotten this bed set that has drawers at the bottom of it, so it made the bed high. And then when we added the mattress, it was like extra high. We didn't like realize that. So just because I'm pregnant and my belly's getting big, I like roll onto the bed until I took the step stool in there so I would stop having to do that. And then the bathroom, pretty clean. So I just did some wiping of certain areas, but I didn't have to do too much deep cleaning because, like I said, because I've been home so much, I've been pretty much on top of that kind of stuff. So it's not like I have to deep clean every single day because I've just been doing a good job of wiping everything down. So all I added to the bathroom to make it a little more Easter-like was this little mason jar that I have a DIY for, and then this little Happy Easter sign that I got at Walmart for $2.98. Ideally, I would have had like an Easter curtain, but you know, I'm not going to the store anytime soon, and I really don't want to order an Easter curtain online. Like, it's okay, I'll pass. So that is it for the rooms I cleaned. I do have 2 more rooms that if you wanted to see in a full house come clean with me, it would be 2 more rooms, the bedroom and the room I film in. But no, I was not about to go decorate those 2, and my bedroom is still a work in progress, so I'm not going to share that with you guys anytime soon because we still got like a lot to do. We still don't have closet doors inside of that room, so maybe you guys will see it eventually, who knows. Don't have a lot of rooms in our house. We have the bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and then the front room and the kitchen. Our basement is pretty big, but our basement isn't done yet at all, so definitely not going down there to decorate an unfinished basement. The only other thing I have to share with you guys is I added a Easter throw pillow. I had this in a box in the basement. I got it last year. I actually have a video for it. It was in a Michael's grab bag. It was after Easter time last year. I got a grab bag and there was a bunch of throw pillows in those grab bags. So I added that. But this is how the house actually looks right now. Matt is working from home, so we had to make room for the desk and we pushed everything to the side. And as you can see, Pepper's like a toddler and all her toys are on the ground. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are all staying safe. I really hope this goes by more quickly than we think, but I don't really know. Nonetheless, I hope you guys are staying safe, and thank you to everybody out there who's still working. I feel for you guys. Anyways, take care. Bye.